So this is a core compression tester manufactured by Peptech Engineers and Associates. There are four types of die that we have manufactured for this, and it has a load cell of 2 tons which can make the capacity up to 1500 kgf readings. And this is the display, this is the keypad, printer, along with motor drive, as you can see, with which we can control the speed. So first of all we are going to test this sample of core, which is having an OD of 330 mm. Its length is 100 mm. Okay, so let's proceed with the test. So we have just starting it. So start button we have pressed, and now it is compressing, and here the reading is coming. So the reading for this core is 465.1 kgf. It means its reading is 465 kgf for this particular sample. So this sample has been tested and we got the reading of 465 kgf. So we are proceeding with the second sample. Let's start. So we are waiting for its reading as well, that how much it's coming. So the reading coming is 504.7 this time. The earlier it was 465. This is how we can just print it. So we have to take the 5 to 10 readings of one sample, and then we'll make the average of them to get the reading. Okay. So we are taking the third sample as well of the same OD to get the average of all the three readings. So let's go. So the reading is coming 519.7 kgf. So we have taken total 3 readings of the same sample. So the average is coming of 465, 504.7. So we have placed the second sample of seconds. So the core strength coming is 673 this time. Earlier it was 694.5. So we have two readings till now, 694. So this time the reading coming is 735.7 kgf. Let's take its value as well. So we have all the three readings with us. Let's take a mean of them. 694.5, 673, 735.7. So as you can see, the total sum is coming this. When we divide by 3, we'll get the average reading 701. So for these three readings, the average is 701 kgf. So this is the reading of this sample. Sample number 2, that is a 181 mm OD. Thank you. So we are there taking the reading of this third type of sample. The first reading that we are getting over here is 702 kgf, and this is the sample which we are having of 106 mm OD. We'll take the second sample as well now. Taking the second sample now. 702 kgf was for the first. We will see the reading over here. So the reading coming is 693.6 kgf now for the second reading of same sample of 106 mm OD. Now we will take the third sample. 690. 696. हाँ 0.3. 694.2. So now we are placing the fourth type of die, that is of 98 mmOD, and we'll place the sample accordingly in it. इसको down कर लो तब तक. रख दो सैंपल.
इसकी पेन ड्राइव लगा दी थी अपन ने, पेन ड्राइव पर
So we are now taking the reading of four type of sample for the first reading, and the reading is coming over here. It's 477.3 kgf. Now we'll take the second reading of same sample. Taking the second reading of the fourth sample, that is of 98 mmOD, and the reading coming is 473.9 kgf. So there are two readings came till now, 477.3, 479.9. Now taking the third reading of, करना है वो तीनों का, 476.3, 473.9 and 477.3. 0.3, 473.9, divide by 3. So the reading coming is 475.83. So the correct reading of the sample by taking the three reading is 475.